Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Lockscreen section over here. Following that, you need to choose Screen Lock Type at the top and click on the best login method for you, PIN, password or pattern. Over here, you need to create your login method and then choose Continue at the bottom right corner. Now enter it again in order to confirm it and hit Confirm. Over here you can manage lock screen notifications. For example, click on this sweater next to Show Content when unlocked, or disable them completely by tapping on this sweater at the top. When you're ready, click on Done at the bottom. Select Turn On or Cancel in Remote Unlock pop-up. And now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!